Hola amigos, it's me, Dario, and today we're going to be playing some Untitled Goose game. So I've seen this game go around like quite a bit. See on a couple of YouTube videos, everything. Apparently it's like just about a goose, I guess. So not too sure what to expect, but we're going to just go for it. Press space to honk. Yeah, let's get it. That is. What do you do? Where do I need to go? Okay, double click to run. Bulbs. No, I need the bulbs. Give me the bulbs. Why can't I? Why can't I get there? Okay, guess we have to take the detour. Stupid rock. Alright, let's go. Okay, control to bend forward. Sorry guys, just trying to get used to the controls. Let's go. Okay, how do I pick things up? Let's go. Press? Yeah, I'm pressing, it's not working. Is it not? Is it just me? Is it not? Why can't I use my beak? Pick it up. Oh, you must click control and that. Stupid. I'm sorry. And I can still make noises. Let's go. Goose for the win. Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Hold control, then press. Yeah, I already figured that out because like didn't get any instruction for that. We're gonna go this way because it looks like there's something cool here. How do I jump? Come, crouch. There you go. What's this? Oh, yes, boys. Got your balls, boy. Got your balls. What now? What now? I think I need to open this thing right here. There we go. And that thing right there. Let me in. Let me in. He's a little destructive little shit, isn't he? Okay, let's go. Next to spread my wings. Can I fly? Oh, that's pretty pathetic. Why can't you fly? What type of goose can't fly? Goose. Geese. Geese. Geese? Can't fly, right? Swim! Untitled Goose game. Okay, so I guess that is all the controls. Don't know what to do now. Is there missions and stuff that I'm supposed to do? You see? Nope, doesn't look like it. Is there just no one here? Huh. Where's all the people? Press tab. Oh, tab. Oh, one at a time. So we are gonna go today. We are going to try and just let's see. Today we're gonna try get into the garden and see if we can get the groundkeeper wet. Okay, so we're going to try and get the groundskeeper wet. So can I open it? How do I get in here? I need the keys. Keys. And doesn't look like anyone here. Anyone here? Hello. Hey. Okay, so now we got the groundskeeper to come out. I assume that's what it is. Yeah. What now? What now? What you gonna do? Hey, you got a problem against me? Got a problem against me? Huh? Got a problem? What you doing? Throw hands. Come. Beat you up right now. Come. So cool. Huh? Don't touch my water. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. That's illegal. That's illegal. I do not. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Huh? Come. You what, mate? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Hey, hey. Okay, can I lock this? Can I lock this? Okay, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, we have infiltrated the garden, boy. We have infiltrated the garden. Ooh, can I pick that up? No, leave me alone. Why? Why? Okay, he wants the radio, so if I take the radio... Come on. Okay, I need to get the radio somehow. Just get those keys. I'm just gonna take those keys there. You don't seem to need them. Okay, come on, 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 get to the water, 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 and you're wet, boy. Yes! First try. Yeah. Alrighty then. Okay, we got the groundskeeper words. What else should we do? Make the groundskeeper words. Sun habit. How do I do that? Rake in the lake. Rake in the lake. Rake in the lake. Rake in the lake. Yeah. So we're just like a little destructive little ship, aren't we? Okay, so can I turn this on? Perhaps? Honk honk. I can't control that. That's just unfortunate. Rake in the lake. Only I can possess the rake in the lake. Only the chosen one is able to get the rake in the lake. Oh, my carrot. My carrot. Mine. Mine. Leave me alone. Oh, wait, here we go. Can I pick it up? Hey, let's go. Rake in the lake. Let's see. No, 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 legal. Leave me alone. I'm just a duck. I'm just a goose. I'm just a goose with a plan. I'm just a goose with a plan. Come on, come on. Oh yes. First try, 0 deaths. Get absolutely wrecked. Okay, so it says we can have a little picnic. So we're gonna go. Ding dong. Wonder what's happening. Shh, making a noise. Okay, hey, it stopped. That's the power of the goose. Power of the goose. Alrighty then. We're looking for a picnic blanket. Picnic blanket? What is it? Have a picnic. Sandwich, apple, pumpkin. Picnic blanket. Where is the picnic blanket? Where is the picnic blanket? Excuse me, kind sir. Do you know where the picnic blanket is? Tell me where the picnic blanket is. Picnic blanket. Picnic blanket. Picnic blanket. Can I go in here? Can I not? Where is the picnic blanket? Chaos. Destruction. Picnic blanket. Need a picnic blanket. Why is there no picnic blanket? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Okay. We have made it out the garden yet again. But we are looking for a picnic blanket and I can't seem to find it anywhere. Is there more things to do here? Hello? Let me in. Let me in. I'm a functioning member of society. I can contribute a lot. I can honk and I can pick things up. And yet, I still can't find a little picnic blanket, which is kind of... I found it! Yes, boys. Okay. Okay, so let me just put this right here. We're gonna have ourselves a nice little picnic. You guys are free to join if you want. Only fans can join this picnic because we are exclusive and we don't want your common folk just coming. So if you're an only fan, you can sit here and join me and Little Duck here for our nice little picnic. Does that count? It's on it. There you go. Now you're on the picnic blanket. We're gonna have ourselves a nice little picnic. We got a pumpkin. We're gonna have basket. We need a pumpkin, carrot, jam, and the radio. I think the radio should come last because this guy seems really obsessed with his radio for some reason. I have no idea why, but we're just vibing here and he's just trying to get, like, I don't know why. He's got a vendetta against me. This gardener here. He's just trying to get to me, but I will not be controlled. You cannot control the goose. Goose forever. And I went the wrong way. Okay. Goose. Death. Destruction. Okay, I have the sandwich. Pumpkin shouldn't be too hard. Physics of this game is a bit wonky because I don't know how he's picking up all these things with his beak. How does a goose pick up a carrot? Do you guys think like geese could perhaps be domesticated? Like, it's always been a wonder for me about how, like, would a goose... Yeah, what you gonna do? Watch me steal your pumpkin, boy. Nope. Go. Yes, extraction pumpkin has worked. Okay, sorry, I went on a bit of a tangent there, but, like, could you domesticate a goose? Because I know you can domesticate ravens, and, like, with the domesticated, I think it's ravens, that they can, like, bring you things and stuff like that. I've heard a couple of stories about that, where they've domesticated, like, a raven, and they bring you money and things like that. It's very, very interesting things to see. Okay, jam. Jam. Okay, we got ourselves the jam right here. Nope, not that. Nope. Jam. Oh yes. Okay. He doesn't see us. We're invisible. We're invisible. Shh. Okay. There you go, guys. Don't make a noise. There we go. We got ourselves a nice little picnic going on. We got jam. We got apples. We got pumpkins. Feel free to join. Only if you're an Only fan. Otherwise, if you're not an Only fan, I'm sorry, guys. You can't join. And now for the thermos. Oh yes. Shh. Okay. Escape. Goose. Shh. I think I should name this. What do you guys think would be a good name for a goose? Jeffrey? Geoff? Goose Jr. I don't know. I'm not very good at naming things, but if I name him, I'm gonna get sentimental, so can't have that going on. Okay, shh. He's getting suspicious. I need him to move away so I can take his radio. Up. Go away. Honk. Honk. Okay, radio time. Nope, I need the radio. Can I please get the radio? There we go. Nope, wrong thing. I need the radio. Come on. There we go. Quick. Shh, why does this radio make so much noise? Come on. Quickly. Hey, have a picnic. Let's go. Yeah, go away. Get away from me. Go. No, I'll fight you. Yeah. Get your stuff. I ate the groundskeeper hammer his thumb. How would I make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb? Groundskeeper hammer his thumb. Okay, I want to go into his house. Hey. Oh. How do I want to access this. Let me in. How do do I get up there? Do I need... Sorry about that, sir. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm just here trying to make a decent living. Oh, alright. How do I need to make him hammer his thread? Oh. I wanna get up there. Okay, that's just to confuse him. Ooh, that's a pretty good name. I'll give this to my mistress. No, that's mine. Excuse me. Have you no respect for romance? This is romantic. Wait, you can't get rid of me. You can't. You can't harm me. Not in any way that matters. I cannot be destroyed. I am the Untitled Goose, who now his title is Jeffrey. Geronimo, I don't know. I need to figure out a way to get to the other side. I don't want to be stuck in this garden forever. Do I go through here? Do I go around? Okay guys, we're gonna go for a little quick swim. Let us see. Can we go through the sewer? Yeah, I guess not. Oh! Oh no, that didn't really work out as well as I intended. Okay, are we in the new area? Come on, I need to get up. Can I come through here, perhaps? Oh yes, we are spreading, brothers. There's no way to stop us now, except for this gate here that seems to be stopping us as it is. Someone open up! Let me in! I'm just a peaceful little goose. I am peaceful. Please let me in. Let me in! You don't like me when I'm angry. You don't like me when I'm angry. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little baby. And there's no way to get this open. Surely. Yeah, I was thinking we're gonna just end it here, because I'm gonna try to figure out how to get to the other side, because right now we're a bit stuck. I don't want you guys to just be watching me play the same area all over and all over again. I just want to get into this new area, but why is it actually confusing? I don't like it. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you in... Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode of Untitled Goose Game, and yeah, we'll just have to see if I can figure it out. Ciao.